Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim items from the advent calendar on the new Dress to Impress winter update. So you're going to go to the section here, and for every day until day 15, you can collect items. So the first one was the Slake Santa Claus hat, and where you can find it is you can go into one of the changing rooms. Then you're going to go to the very right and you'll be able to find the hat here. Obviously, I'm just going to remove it for my Glinda outfit. This is the new dress, by the way, if you haven't claimed it yet. But that is it for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. So excited about this winter update. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel as well. And that is it for this video. Hopefully you had fun with this new update. Also, Lana's wearing a Santa Claus hat and there is a tree over here as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.